डील दीजिए सर। अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर। इंडिया नीड्स टू कनेक्ट द वैल्यूज ऑफ द पास्ट। यू टॉक अबाउट सरदार पटेल जी, बट यू डिस्ट्रॉय सरदार पटेल जी's values every day. You talk about Ambedkar ji, you destroy his values every day. You talk about Nehru ji, no, you don't talk about Nehru ji. Before the elections, all of you were saying 400 par, and you were saying you would change this. And then I was glad to see that the Prime Minister walked in and then was forced to bow his head in front of the Constitution. No force will dare touch this. Constitution में कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि मोनोपोली होनी चाहिए, पेपर लीक होना चाहिए, क्रिमिनल होना चाहिए। ये Constitution में कहाँ लिखा है कि जो बलात्कार करते हैं वो बाहर रहे, और जिसका रेप हुआ है जिसके परिवार को बंद कर दिया जाए? कहाँ लिखा है Constitution में? ये आपकी किताब में लिखा हुआ है, मनुस्मृति में लिखा है, Constitution में नहीं लिखा। पॉलिटिकल इक्वालिटी खत्म हो गई है, हिंदुस्तान के सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन कैप्चर कर लिए गए हैं, सोशल इक्वालिटी नहीं रही, फाइनेंशियल इकोनॉमिक इक्वालिटी नहीं रही। I apologize for disturbing your peace of mind. If you had listened to me here, you would not have lost those 5 planes. The Indian Air Force made no mistake. The mistake was made by the political leadership that said you cannot attack the military infrastructure. The goal of this exercise was to protect the Prime Minister's image. Because he has the blood of the people of Pahalgam on his hand, if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here that Donald Trump, you're a liar. 50% होगा तो बोल देगा. Prime Minister has not said how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Munir to his office, and we cannot afford a Prime Minister who does not have the courage to use the army the way it has to be used. So the Prime Minister, the nation is above your image, above your politics, and above your PR. Forces are above your PR, your image, and your politics. Patience रखिए थोड़ी, इतना excitement नहीं होना चाहिए. The reason China is sitting inside this country is because Make in India has failed. The reason China is sitting inside this country is because India is refusing to produce. And I'm worried that India is going to give up this revolution to the Chinese once again. For our security, for the future of our children, for the future of our country, we have to build a production system. We can build things that the Americans would never imagine. India should become the master of the electric motor, master of the battery, master of optics, and master of AI applied on top of that production. ये अभय मुद्रा है। देखिए हम कहते हैं अभय मुद्रा, आप कहते हो हम आपका अंगूठा काट देंगे। ये फर्क है। The Prime Minister is not looking at me. Just prior to the Lok Sabha, the election commissioner was changed and 2 new election commissioners were placed. Election dates were changed. In December 2023, this government changed the law to make sure that no election commissioner could be punished for any action they take while they are election commissioner. Why was a law put in place that allows the election commission to destroy CCTV footage? Vote chori is an anti-national act, and those across the aisle are doing an anti-national act. Mr. Shah is looking into the ceiling. Maybe he will answer this question when he speaks. Amit Shah ji, I challenge you. Let us have a debate on the press conference. Everybody in this house would agree that air pollution is something that we would like to cooperate on. Everybody says government opposition fighting all the time. This is one issue where we can show the country that we can also plan and work together to solve something that is critical. Thank you. Double thank you, sir.